Hello, Lisa.
Hello.
All right, we're here in the village. We're starting the day. We're going out to the Baray to have a picnic, and you're going to come along with us. And to prepare for this picnic, you need food, and that's what's happening right now. There's food being prepared. Jumbo, what do we got? Jeez, look at this.
Stir-fried chicken.
Stir-fried chicken with all the bones?
Yes.
Yes, with all the bones.
Dessert.
What's that?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Sugar and coconut.
My gosh, what's that?
This dry fish.
I know it's dry. This.
From last night.
Oh, okay, so
Sorry, leftover from last night.
irrelevant. Oh, jumbo sara. Papaya salad. Look at that. What's happening here? Jimmy's on the cans. And Max is having a sook. All right, in the boot of this nondescript Toyota product, which is supposed to be Yaris, we have packed everything. And as you can see, it's all nice and secure. There's cargo nets, there's barriers, there's things keeping things in place. Oh gosh, what's in there? Prawns, bloody hell. The car's gonna pong. We've got some beers in there, we've got some drinks, we've got some things to eat stuff with. It's all packed and ready to go. Are you happy with the prawns being like this? You're the driver. You've got to be happy with the load if it's nice and secure.
No.
How about we rearrange some of this?
Yes.
Even these forks here, these spoons that are just loose.
It can be like this.
All right, hang on. Let me move these drinks so we can put that on the floor. Uno momento, por favor. Okay, that's a little bit better. Prawns, everything's on the ground that needs to go. What's that? What's that? There we go. Nice and secure.
Huh? Oh.
Sort of.
Yes.
You ready? Is this shambles getting on the road?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's the key?
Never
I left it there.
Never leave the key in the ignition.
Yes, I leave it here.
Because your car was on. How good's this? That's the airport, and there's just some water buffalo hanging out at the side of the airport. Here's another one. Where else in the world are you going to get that? What are these guys doing? He's having a snooze.
The water buffalo?
Oh, no, the guy in the hut.
Yes, he's here to taking care of their water buffalo, and that's their shelter.
The hut guy?
Yeah.
Oh, do you know him?
No, but that's how it's always been like that. They build like a little hut.
Okay.
Then they go to the field or wherever they take their water buffalo there, and that's where they rest.
Okay. Thank you
to
for
keep an eye out for the water buffalo or cows.
Thank you for that piece of education.
You're very welcome.
Keep going. Oof. Well, isn't this a comfortable road to travel on?
And Jimmy said, "Oh, we got this right."
They've taken us the back way.
It's good. It's easier.
Through the jungle.
Good with the motorbike because you can go around and easy, but with the car you cop all the.
Yeah. Someone enjoys the bumpy road. Look at him. Just enjoys it too much. Soothing. Well, we've definitely arrived at the picnic type area. There's plenty of people around. We should have come from that way, but that looks like... Look at that, a nice paved road. Look at the river down there. There's some boats down here. There's some dragonflies. This will look lovely, and there's a storm brewing all the way out there. Look at this nuisance. Gets a license and she becomes a menace on the road. So look at the traffic direction. Vague pointing. The West Baray Temple. I'm just pretending that I know how to pronounce that. It's a UNESCO site, and it's a Apsara protected area. Apsara, now the Apsara's there. We've got the pronunciation right. After about 9 years of trying to say it, but doesn't it look nice out here? This was all hand dug apparently back in the olden days, and the local folk, they like to come and hang out here for the day. There's some of these sort of picnic areas you can hire down on the banks. You sit with a hammock and put some music on and eat. I'll take you down there in a second. I've just dropped some food off, and my gosh, the stairs, these are terrifying. I don't want to go back down, but I have to because that's where everyone is. Anyway, let's have a sticky bee, eh? The stairs of death. Oh shit, I've even tripped. Get a load of these bad boys. Nice and secure. If you lose your footing here, you are up shit creek. So these stairs are sort of angled up a little bit as well, which makes them even worse. Oh, shit. And then you've got this sheer drop down here. These ladies just go up it like it's nothing. No worries, champ. He's been training with Man City. He knows what's going on. Better wash my head on this bit. We just drop down. And then we drop even further down, down, down. And we are home. Good job. Now here's the picnic area. And you've got these hammocks and stuff here. You can sit and have a relax and check out what's going on here by the Baray. I'm a little bit concerned about the sturtability of the planks here. There is a fair amount of bounce in these. Check it out. Like, you wouldn't want to drop your phone here, folks. I'll give you the big tip. Hang on, let's head up to our area, our established area. Ooh. Right, oh, we're on this one here. We've crossed over. Don't trip. Just have a look at that. Stand back. So right, oh shit. So we're occupying three spots. Huh? A hammock? Yeah, I'll sign up to that. Bloody oath. The kids eating some bread. Alright. Namsra. Look at this one. Straight on the piss already. You be careful here with me, mate. You'll fall in. Water. See the water? Yeah, careful. This is it. You kind of get an area to hire out. I don't know how much it costs. Probably very, very cheap. You can bring your own food. There's plenty of food upstairs. The last time we were here, this was all dry. It was dry out to about yonder somewhere, but being the wet season, it is wet like anything, so the water's quite warm. You can get life jackets. The kids can go in and have a dip. How much is it to hire a spot here?
One block,
yep.
$2.50.
$2.50, so 10,000 real to hire a block. So 10, 20, 30, so we've spent 40,000 here.
We spent 50 because the kids go up and wet the other room, the other store.
So because the kids wet the other area, we've spent 50,000.
When I was younger,
yep.
This is where we come like to use it, like going to the beach because it's got sand.
Yeah.
Then the water's like dry all the way, like almost half of this.
I just want to show you some of the construction techniques here too, folks. As I said before, the clearance between the wood, I mean, you could lose a foot in there, so you've got to be pretty careful. You can't get too pissed if you come here and drink. The integrity of the floor is questionable at best in some spots. Look at that. One foul jump on that thing, and you're cooked. Look, that one's already halfway gone, but it's part of the fun. So, the roof of this joint is just these leaves. Oh, fuck, spiders. It's just folded over leaves here, bamboo, bit of wood. You can get fan like this to hold the electrics. You can have fans running. You also got these bits of wood in the ground here, which they're solid, but everything else is just on the nose. On the nose. Roof's a bit saggy here, but yeah, they love it, and that's all that matters. This goes all the way down too, and there's heaps of people here. Like, I thought it was pretty quiet, but it appears there are quite a few people down here, which is good. People are getting out. Locals doing local tourism type things. Should you come here? Well, it is an interesting day out. If you're looking for somewhere different to sit and relax, it's okay. Look, it's pretty hot under here. It does feel a little bit dingy as well. Like, because the water level is so high, there's not really, I don't know, it just feels a bit closed in for my liking. But as far as like a family activity for the locals to do, they love it. They love coming here. They love eating. They love sinking piss. There we are. The beer cans are being collected. The kids have all gone in. Jimmy's having a couple. There we go. That's it. The procession up the hill. Excuse me. Whilst the bloody pseudo-ephedrine wears off. Come on. Hold on, hold on. Jimmy's bringing it up the rear. Now we've got to go up the steps. Up, up. Oh, that's it. Beautiful. Bit of practice on these and you do alright, I reckon. Compared to since we got here, there's a few people up here now. Lots of cars parked here, and there's lots of shops out as well, so you can get yourself some barbecue chicken, frogs, pork, fried rice, all sorts of food up here as well. So lots of local things, which is kind of standard for Cambodia. Like, you go get yourself to a national park and you can buy yourself a dress. And where do you get that in Australia? You don't. I'm sorry, I'm just distracted. Have a look at this Prius. Get a load of the rims on it. My gosh, what is going on? Well, thank you for joining us on that family outing, folks. I have no idea, like most things, how that vlog's going to turn out and if it was useful to you at all, but whatever the case, I hope it was mildly interesting to you. We'll see you in another adventure at some point in the next little while. Would you like to say farewell?
Farewell.
Oh, that was very good. Well done.
Chicka chow.
Chicka chow. Oh, I forgot the chicka chows. Chicka chow. Say bye, buddy.